Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. If you're new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we're going to take a look at these Pixie hair hacks and haircut ideas. The first one starts off with a hair transformation. So she went from having long hair to this beautiful, short, classic Pixie haircut. Love the hair color with that one as well, kind of looks like a dusty rose gold color. So then we move into the styling of a Pixie haircut. Now I will say that this is more of a longer Pixie or Bixie haircut. So she's just kind of flat ironing the hair. And then in the crown portion of the hair, she's adding some curls in order to create that added height. And then she's adding some curls over there on the side. Now, if you wanted the curls to come out tighter, you could use a smaller flat iron or curling iron. And because she only added the curls on one side, she's able to achieve a little bit more volume, just because it's pretty much an optical illusion with the curls being placed on one side versus both. Very pretty. So then we have another Pixie haircut. This one is also a longer Pixie, and she has more of that like mullet feel to the haircut. And we are calling this haircut the Mixie haircut. I made an entire video completely forgetting that the Mixie was definitely a thing right now. So if you caught my last short hair video, you will know that there are tons of Mixie haircuts in that video. And I just wanted to put out a little bit of correction that the haircut that is trending in that particular video is the Mixie. So then we have the styling of a Pixie cut with these beautiful little butterfly clips. I think she's also using, actually, you know what, I can't tell if she's using butterfly clips or mini clips, but you can use either variation to just kind of style and play around with your Pixie haircut. So then we have a color transformation, so she's going to be removing that mint green color from her hair. So there you see, she's back to blonde. She has a beautiful Pixie haircut with bangs in the front and a bit of an undercut going on in the back and the sides. So then we have a simple style for a Pixie cut. Cute little everyday look. And then we have this other Pixie. So her Pixie has grown out. And she wanted to go to the stylist, but of course she couldn't take her, so she's cutting it herself. Just kind of giving herself a little bit of a trim. So she also has a longer Pixie, and I love the way she's doing the bangs to one side. And to be honest, she's actually doing a really good job with this cutting. gorgeous. So then we have a pixie haircut that is going to be accessorized with a front flat twist. So that's a pretty cute way that you can kind of jazz up your pixie cuts. Just add a twist in there. Alright you guys, so that's going to be it for this video. I hope you enjoyed checking out these pixie hair hacks and hairstyles. If you did, be sure to give this video a like, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.